scents are released by one of the females. So what butterflies do in some cases is that you will see that even the pupa also releases scents. So what happens is that males in some cases will actually land on the pupa. I mean, just as it is about the adult is about to release, the adult is about to come out of the pupa. And in many cases, we have seen that the males who mate with the female. This is basically to do with competition. There will be 3-4 males hovering around the pupa, and the first one who gets a chance mates with the female just as it is emerging from the pupa. So even the wings are not right. Okay, so that's all the competition. And then of course, egg-laying also is an elaborate process. What they will do is they will choose a plant. We'll discuss about that, how they do it. But some butterflies will lay eggs as single eggs, while some will lay in clusters. So now, in some plants, the plants also react to how insects behave. So in some cases, there is one particular butterfly which lays eggs on Aristolochia member. So there, what happens is that the butterfly will not lay eggs sporadically. So it will choose certain leaves and will lay eggs on them. And then if on the leaf, if it sees another egg, it will not lay there. Okay. So and then sometimes it lays on spots as well. So the plant has devised its own mechanism of developing certain structures which look like eggs, the butterfly eggs. So that's how the plant protects itself. So when the butterfly goes there and sees an egg, it will not lay an egg. So it's very interesting to know how this plant animal interaction actually happens. At this stage, maybe we can discuss the difference between the food and the host plant, because these are very usually used terms. What we need to understand is the host plant is the one on which the butterfly completes its life cycle. All butterflies, except a few which I will discuss in the end, are butterflies. They feed on plants. So they have different host plants. Some will be monophytous, they will feed on only one particular plant. Some will feed on a couple, and some will feed are generalists, because they are called as polyphagous. So these host plants are those on which a butterfly will complete its life cycle. While a food plant is one which on which the adult will feed. You can also call them as nectar sources. So that's the difference between these two. So as we progress, we will also use these terms. The food and the host plant will understand the difference. These are some of the common butterflies that we see around. Chosen those which probably you will see around here just for information. And these are the host plants, and I'm sure all these are found in your campus as well. Dragonflies is a very common plant. 5% in your campus. And I've seen all these butterflies in your campus, and I'm sure the plants are also there. Yeah, all are there. I'm sure they are there. So as I was saying, how do the butterfly select a host plant? Now, like I said earlier, some butterflies are monophytous; they only feed on certain species, or maybe the family. Like for example, this largest butterfly that we have called the southern birdwing feeds on the Aristolochia family. And within Goa, what we have observed is that in certain sections, if you go to Sattari, for example, there we have seen it feed on Protea. Protea is, I'm sure you've heard of it. It's a plant which grows along water bodies. So it feeds on Protea. But while if you go to Netravali, there's Protea all over the place. But somehow I've never seen caterpillars of Protea, but I've seen it on the Aristolochia, the vine. So why it happens is something that we really need to explore. But these are our field observations. Then in Sattari, we have seen caterpillars of Protea, but go to Netravali and not see Protea. So why it happens is a mystery. Anyway, so the thing is that some butterflies are monophytous, some are few plants, megaphytous. These are different terms. Polyphagous are very generalist. Now, when they are choosing, there are certain, again, as I said, butterflies look at chemical cues as well as visual cues. So the first thing that we do is look at the shape and size of the leaf. Okay. Now, usually the first ones preferred for laying eggs are the tender leaves. Now this is for a simple fact that as the caterpillar emerges, it's very tiny. Its mouth parts are not really developed as in case of a bigger caterpillar, so it needs tender shoots to feed on. And as the leaf matures, it also synthesizes some chemicals which can be toxic to a younger caterpillar. So that's why the first thing that we do is look at the shape and size of the plant, or the leaf rather. Then, of course, the smell and the chemical signals are captured. We'll discuss that in the next page. And then the growth stage of the plants. This is very interesting. This is, people are trying to explore this as well. Is that there is the earlier slide that you showed you.